Open the burner compartment and turn the thermostat to the off position. Press down the knob of the gas valve. Turn it counterclockwise to the pilot position and continue to press the knob down. Use a lighter to ignite the pilot. Continue to press the knob down for about 30 seconds. When the pilot stays lit, turn the knob counterclockwise to the on position. If the pilot does not stay lit when the knob is released, repeat the lighting procedure and keep the knob down longer. Do not turn the thermostat on until the fry pot is filled with oil or solid shortening. Close drain valve completely before filling the fry pot. When the fryer is new, fill the fry pot with water and clean thoroughly in order to remove protective coatings and any foreign matter. Remove the basket support frame when filling the fry pot with solid shortening. When solid shortening is used, be careful not to bend, break, or twist the thin capillary wires of the sensing elements located in the fry pot. Pack solid shortening into the zone below the tubes, all spaces between the tubes, and at least an inch above the top of the tubes before lighting the fryer. If any air spaces are left around the heat tube surfaces when the heat is turned on, the tube surfaces will become red hot, burn the solid shortening, weaken the fry pot, and could result in a fire. Never attempt to melt a solid block of shortening on top of the heat tubes. Never start the burners when the fry pot is empty. To prevent burning or scorching the solid shortening, keep the thermostat set at the lowest temperature until all the solid shortening between and above the tubes has been melted. Additional solid shortening can then be added until the desired frying depth has been reached. Gas models fryers are equipped with a secondary heat control that prevents the oil temperature from rising above 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Because of the accuracy tolerance of the sensor, the oil temperature may reach as high as 475 degrees Fahrenheit before a shutdown. In the event the fryer shuts down due to this condition, the oil must be cooled to below 400 degrees Fahrenheit before the pilot burner can be reignited. Smoking oil means that the temperature is too high or that the oil has broken down. The presence of gummy residue in the fry pot indicates that thorough cleaning is required. Use different oil for oily foods, mackerel, nutmeg, etc., than for foods with water-soluble flavors, potatoes, onions, etc. Taste cool oil for quality. Replace it regularly. Poor oil cannot produce good food. To expect the best performance, your equipment must be maintained in good condition and cleaned daily. Naturally, the frequency and extent of cleaning depends on the amount and degree of usage. Turn thermostat knob to off position. Place hot oil in a safe container under the drain and drain the fry pot completely. Remove the basket support frame, if applicable, and flush out any sediment remaining in the fry pot with a little hot oil. Wipe off the basket support frame and the inside of the fry pot with a clean cloth. Close drain valve and strain the oil back into the fry pot using a cheesecloth or using a filter machine. Add oil or shortening to min oil level mark on rear of fry pot. Clean around burner and orifices if lint has accumulated. Visually check that burner carryover ports are unobstructed. To remove normal dirt, grease, and product residue from stainless steel, use ordinary soap and water applied with a sponge or cloth. Dry thoroughly with a clean cloth. Never use vinegar or any corrosive cleaner. To remove grease and food splatter or condensed vapors that have baked on the equipment, apply cleanser to a damp cloth or sponge and rub cleanser on the metal in the direction of the polishing lines on the metal. Never rub with a circular motion. Soil and burnt deposits that do not respond to the above procedure can usually be removed by rubbing the surface with Scotch-Brite scouring pads or stainless scouring pads. Never use ordinary steel wool, a wire brush, steel scouring pads, except stainless, scraper, file, or other steel tools.